Candle shop sell handmade or unique scented candles. Boutique offer fashionable clothes, accessories or handmade designs. Craft store sell trendy or handmade decor items. Bakery specialize in cupcakes, cakes or artisan pastries. Art store sell paintings, prints or art supplies. Jewelry store sell handcrafted or trendy jewelry. Gift shop curate and sell personalized gifts. Stationery shop sell beautiful notebooks, pens and office supplies. Tote bags shop stylish reusable tote bags are perfect for shopping, travel or casual outings. Flower and plant store combine flowers with houseplants or garden items. Toy shop specialize in educational toys or unique handmade toys. Beauty and skincare shop offer natural or organic beauty products. Tea and coffee shop sell premium teas, coffees and accessories. Soap shop sell handmade or specialty soaps and bath products. Pet boutique sell pet supplies, outfits and gourmet treats. Bookstore second-hand book swap shop, children's or themed bookshop. Scrunchies shop soft, trendy scrunchies for stylish, comfortable hair accessories every day. Crochet items shop beautiful, handcrafted crochet pieces like scarves, toys and blankets made with love. Baby clothes shop sells cute, comfortable clothes for newborns, toddlers and small children. Holiday shop sells decorations, gifts and supplies for special holidays like Christmas or Halloween. Ceramic items shop sells handmade pots, dishes and decorations all crafted from clay.